Let's do shortcut multiplication. Kung ang long method multiplication ay lagi nag-uumpisa sa right to left, sa pagkakataong ito mag-uumpisa tayo sa left to right. So let's have 23 times 13. Again, rewrite lang natin 23 times 13. So sa left tayo magsisimula, I have 1 times 2 which is equal to 2. Then 1 times 3 is 3 and 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Let's add 3 and 6, we have 9. At yung 9 ang ating magiging second digit. Then, for the last digit, we have 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. Therefore, 23 times 13 is equal to 299. Let's have second example. Let's have 28 and 19. 28 times 19, again from left to right. 1 times 2, which is equal to 2. 1 times 8, which is equal to 8. Lagay lang natin sa gilid. And 9 times 2 is equal to 18. Let's add 8 and 18, we have 26. Since 2 digit ang nakuha natin, ilalagay natin yung first digit sa taas ng ating 2. Let's have 2 and 6 here. Okay? Magiging carry ang unang digit. Then, let's have the last one, 9 times 8, which is equal to 72. Again, 72 is a 2-digit number. Therefore, yung 7 ay ilalagay natin sa taas ng 6. Then, 7, then si 2 ay ilalagay natin sa tabi ng 6. I have 2, 6, and 2. Then, ang nasa taas natin ay 2 and 7. So, let's just add. I have now 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. 7 plus 6, which is equal to 13. Dahil 13 siya, 2 digit, ilalagay ko yung 1 sa taas ng 4. Then, bring down 2. Then, since meron pang number sa taas ng 4, I have, i-add ulit natin. 1 plus 4, which is 5, then bring down 3 and 2. Therefore, 28 times 19 is equal to 532. How about 37 times 24?